to DIY Yolande. In today's DIY, we are creating my laundry storage unit. In addition to that, I'm going to be sharing about how to do a dowel joint. And you know what's scary? It's also going to be my first time doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and hit that red subscribe button. So we are turning this into this. Here is your shopping list of all the items you will need for this DIY. A detailed list will also be in the description box. First, we're measuring 5 cm from the edge is where our dowel joint will be. We will do this for all our pieces of pinewood. Always remember, you measure twice and you drill once. 1 cm from the edge is where we are going to be drilling. I am now marking the drilling point. So the same process we did on this one, we are going to do on this piece. Okay guys, so here we do the exact same thing that we did on the bases. We measure 5 cm and then 1 cm. So what we just did here, we will do on the second 100 cm piece. So let's time lapse this part. To run the wood glue on here. Now we assemble our dowel joint. And repeat the same process to your second piece of wood. To leave it outside in a sheltered area, dry for 24 hours. As I always say, always honor the instructions on the product that you purchase. Okay, so now we are creating our second storage container or box, cupboard. Okay, we're creating our second storage space for our laundry room. So we will repeat the exact same thing that we did in the first box. Okay, so guys, as I mentioned earlier, today we're doing a dowel joint. So a dowel joint is a joint whereby I'll put the information here on the screen, the technical information, but in layman's terms, it's actually where you are joining two pieces of wood without using nails. So you are joining the pieces of wood with another piece of wood, which in this case is these birchwood dowel pins. Okay. The beautiful thing with a butt joint is the fact that whatever you are building and putting together will obviously not have nails, right? Will not have the nails popping out. But as I've showed you in my two previous videos, which I will link up here, is that you can still maintain a very flush look. For this DIY, I wanted to show you all a project without me using nails. Here is a close-up of the dowels inserted. The awesome thing with working with a cordless drill is that when it comes to drilling like this, you do not have to worry about cords, tripping over them, and safety is of utmost importance, guys. And if you do happen to have a drill that does have cabling, ensure that you position yourself behind the cabling, okay? So when you are drilling, the cable must be behind you, coming up from the side that you are drilling. And then when you move over to the next side where you are drilling, you repeat the exact same step. You do not want to trip over a cord. Let's drill. So I want to show you guys something real quick, right? So I've obviously drilled my holes, as you guys have seen, but as you can see that my pin is sinking very, very deep inside the wood. We don't want that because we want the pin to fit snugly and properly into the pieces that we've previously drilled and put in the pin, right? So what we are going to do is, from the drill dust that we were drilling, we are going to fill it with it. Okay. And then now you see. Awesome. And obviously when we're putting in the glue will also play as a filler. All right. Things are looking quite wonky right now. But that's because obviously the glue hasn't dried. I'm going to assemble it and then leave it out for 24 hours to dry. Now let's clean up our garage. Because this is going to be in a very water prone area and we do not want our wood to get ruined. Remember these from the headboard video we did? Click the link up here. But yes, these are offcuts from the headboard legs and I'm going to use them to be stands to elevate the storage compartment. Let's do it. I really wanted to paint this unit white, but I have run out of my white paint. So comment down below if you'd be interested in me doing an IGTV of me painting it. So here you have it, guys, my laundry storage unit. It's going to be where I'll be placing my cleaning detergents. I need to purchase so many things for this area, but I'm just happy that right now space for me to still be able to do laundry. Also at the bottom there, I've now has a storage space instead of putting things on the floor. And then that is my current basket for my laundry. So when the laundry is done washing, I take it out of there, put it in the bowl, and then go hang it up outside. But then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to purchase a laundry basket that is going to fit in this space here, and that is going to be the basket that I'll now be using back and forth when I'm doing my laundry, so that it holds more capacity rather than that one that can just only hold a few pieces of clothing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you found the dowel joint easy to do or more complicated. So yeah, comment down below if you'd be interested in seeing an IGTV. It's just painting and then obviously putting up the items that are outstanding that need to be put in my laundry corner. Oh, I'm so excited. Now I think I'll be motivated to actually do washing. Yeah, I think I will. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace.